Hi, this is Jen Duplessis with Kinetic Spark Consulting, and this is another Jen's Jots on This versus That. So let me ask you this question. Are you task switching or single tasking? Because task switching is going to create or make you have a really, really long day. So I want to ask you this fun question. Why do we call it a laundry list? We call it a laundry list of things to do because it's just like laundry. Think about this. Every time that you go and you take laundry out of your dryer, you put it in a basket and it's just a big laundry list of things to do, of things to fold. Why is it that we don't pull one item out, fold a towel, and run all the way to the bathroom to put it away, come back, grab a sock, and run it all the way and put it in a bedroom, come back and grab another sock and run it all away? And the reason we don't do this is because it's not efficient use of our time. It's not effective, right? So instead what we do is that we fold clothes and we compartmentalize them when we're folding them so that they're in neat piles. Then we take the pile and we put it away. It's much more effective and efficient. I'm here to tell you that your email is a laundry list. Every single email that comes in is a different article of clothing, so to speak. Will you look at these kitty cats playing, riding Zumba, riding the little Zumba or Rumbas? Do you want to come to this event? Can you sponsor this event? Did you get a chance to look at that document? Hey, I want to go to dinner tomorrow night. Are you available? All of these are laundry lists, and it causes this task switching that delays and oozes time throughout the entire day. So what I'd like to share with you is to find a software that you feel comfortable using that can help you sort the emails that come in. Unsubscribe from things that you don't use so that you have less email, and create rules so that those items can go into a different folder that when you have time, you can look at them all at one time and be much more efficient and maneuver through them quickly. So that is your Jen's Jot for today. Please stop task switching and move to single tasking and compartmentalize your activities so that you can get more done in your day.